Hello there, folks. I'm once again joined with my lovely host, Kelly. Kelly, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing very well. What's this creation you have before my eyes?
This is called the Island Singani. Mostly just called Island because it has coconut cream in it. It makes it a little luxurious, thick mouthfeel.
Yeah, I think the only thing I think that has something like that is like a pina colada. So this would be like a new little exploration.
Yeah, it's kind of a riff on one of those. Yeah, I could see that. So we're gonna start with 2 ounces of Singani. I'm gonna double that for this recipe. And then we've pre-measured the rest of the ingredients. 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1 ounce of coconut cream, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Now we're gonna shake that and then we're gonna strain it into rocks-filled glasses.
So again, remind me how you open when you have the shaker here. How you do it, just for the viewers at home.
So when you seal your shaker, you're gonna have one side that's straight. Hold that towards you, and then hit the side. There will be like a little gap that you can see in between the 2 tins. Hit the side there, and that will break the seal.
Okay. Interesting color. 'Cause this has grapefruit juice in it, right?
It does. Like a pinkish off-white. Okay, and then we're gonna garnish with the lime wheels. And there we go.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bottoms up, Kelly. I've never had coconut with Singani before, but like it works very well.
It does. It does. I like how it's got that creamy texture, but it's still like bright from the juices.
And a good call with like the grapefruit juice, because I feel like like acidity always like just works well whenever there's like a lot of like sweetness on it. So yeah. Nice. Awesome, Kelly. Cheers.
Cheers.